Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to go ahead to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is Reaching Styling, the freezers, stainless steel units. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length, they are about like a 54 inches wide. And the depth about like a 32¼ inches deep. And the overall heights, they are about like 82½ inches tall. So we're looking at the outside, we can see they have a lockers on top for each doors, and they have a controller on top of it too. They have a small thermometer display right here, and they have a switches for the power. And the door, when you opened it, this one also you can see have a gasket on all the door units. And the door size is about like a 26½ inches wide. So let's take a look at the inner side. When you open the entire units, you will find we have a single ventilation fan on top of it for circulating the cold airs. And the units we have in the 3 layers. Total will be 6 adjustable shelvings. And let's take a look at the sides first. For the unit's entire depth, about like a 27 inches. And the height is about like a 52 inches. And the inner side, the length about like a 49 inches. Also, we can see the stickers on side of the units. They have the ETL sanitation stickers on it, and the model numbers and the serial numbers for faster service, and all the cost sheets details on the units too. So the units, they're using the bottom mounted compressors, and the ventilation at the front, compressor at the back. They have a grill covers on it, and the units also using the US 110 standard plugs. This is all information about these products, and if you do have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.